Ladies and gentlemen, I now welcome back Sir Simon E. Del Valle to read this year's winner of the Gawad Palihan ng Karangalan.
Thank you, Sir Alfred. As chairman of the Gawad Palihan ng Karangalan, unveil of honor awards for the 2026 Most Outstanding Alumnus. I am honored to announce this year's distinguished recipient. Ladies and gentlemen, it is with great pride that we present the 2026 Gawad ng Palihan Karangalan Unveil of Honor for Most Outstanding Alumnus, awarding none other than Mr. Eduardo G. Bubier. Congratulations, sir.
With pride, the entire Magallanes National Vocational High School family greets warmly the very first awardee, well-deserved award given to Mr. Eduardo G. Bubier, a highly accomplished financial leader who served as a Deputy Governor of the Corporate Services Sector at Bangko Sentral ng Pilipinas. He is a pride not only of his family but most especially of Magallanes National Vocational High School and of Magallanes. Itinararangal ka namin Ginoong Eduardo G. Bubier sa ngalan ng buong komitiba ng Screening at Adjudication Committee. Maraming salamat sa nag-nominate. Maraming salamat at binabati po namin kayo, Ginoong Eduardo Bubier. Everybody, let's give a round of applause to the Gawad Francisco O. Elotin Memorial Awardee and at the same time, double awardee. Gawad Palihan ng Karangalan Annual of Honor Award to the Most Outstanding Alumnus, year 2026.